So these, they're gonna get another license. So you passed it?
So she's at 330. Yeah. And for every $50 you can
So
Come on.
she
Hey, hey, hey.
Don't steal that.
Yeah.
Put it down.
It's a free. Yes.
I could have that.
So they got half off of it. And
Hey,
feel free to
Toodles.
grab it. But they have to wait for you. They have half.